Let's get into the Jordan 3 Fire Red. So expect these shoes to drop on September 10th at select retailers and on the SNKRS app. The price on these are $210 for the men's sizes and $150 for the grade school size. So here they are, the Jordan 3 Fire Red. Here go the bottom. As you can see, you got the elephant print. You got the Nike Air on the back. And then the tongue, you got the red Jumpman. And I love how soft this is. It's like super plush leather. So they did these shoes really nice. I like the colors. I like how simple the colors are. It's just a simple red, white, and gray shoe. So you can't go wrong with these. Thank y'all for watching my review, and let's get into the unboxing.